Simply put, non-performing assets are those assets which are not performing or are of no use. What are assets? Assets are basically something which is of value, something that is going to eventually, in very simple terms, add more to your overall possession. That is what we call asset, and this addition is in a positive sense. Okay, so in a positive way, if there is more money that is coming to you, more items of good that is coming to you, then all of that will qualify as assets. Liabilities is something when you are supposed to give to somebody. So if you're supposed to give something to somebody in the form of anything, it could be some loan that you've taken, it's something that you owe somebody, it could be something you borrowed, it is all a liability. Okay, because you eventually have to give it to them. Okay, so this is a basic difference between what is an asset and a liability. Now coming back to this definition, a non-performing asset is any asset that is not performing. Typically, a non-performing asset refers to a bad loan. What is a bad loan? It is a loan that is not going to be repaid. Now, when we understand the concept of assets and liabilities, it's slightly different for the banks. Because for banks, the loans that they give is an asset. Why is that an asset? Because that is going to add more money to their current holdings in the form of interest. So banks will be earning more and more interest on that amount of money that they have lent out, which is why the loans that bank give are going to be called the assets of the bank. Liabilities are of course something which the bank will owe somebody else. If bank owes something to someone, then that is going to be the liabilities. For example, if someone's depositing money with the bank and they will get some interest after a certain period of time, then this interest that the bank has to pay that person is going to be the liability for the bank. But the loans that the bank gives is the assets to the bank, because the bank will get money on those loans, not only the principal main money of the loan, but also some amount of interest. Okay, now when these loans are not coming back for the bank, which means their so-called assets are not going to be of use, in that case we say that the bad loans are the non-performing assets. Okay, so recently we've seen during the corona times, the bank had given a lot of loans to several businesses and people, and because of the economic crisis we all were facing, most of these people were not able to repay the loans, and a lot of these loans went bad, and that's why the bank marks this particular loan as a non-performing asset. Obviously, it doesn't immediately mark it as a non-performing asset. If a person defaults, which means if a person doesn't pay by the timeline it is supposed to pay back, then the bank provides them some time. After that time has also passed, then the bank says that okay, now this particular loan has actually gone bad, and hence we will qualify it as a non-performing asset.